This is Burbank, California, from the 18th floor of the North Tower of the Holiday Inn. I'm not quite on the roof, but I am on an opening without a window, clutching very tightly to my Apple iPhone so it doesn't do the plunge 18 stories down. What street is this, Angelino?
Angelino.
And this is Angelino right there, and then Olive is over there. You can see the Bell Jeff Tower more or less in the middle of the shot. And there's the new police facility, that green roofed building in front of that black glass box there. And this is what Burbank looks like today, a north view. Well, that is to say north of the Holiday Inn. Are we facing north?
Yes.
Looking? Okay, this is north. All right.
North is technically on an angle. That
North
way.
is technically on an angle, but you can see the Burbank Bee on the hillside, or maybe you can't. So, all right, and this is Mike McDaniel, your tour guide. And me, Wes Clark, who's not letting go of this iPhone. And if you leapt from here, there's what you'd hit, the parking structure. Oh man, my palms are getting sweaty. Okay, we're done.
I'm dizzy.
Burbank, California. Down, Mike. We're in the elevator of the Holiday Inn. From 18 floors. The vast empire of Burbank. Ugh. Makes my stomach drop a little bit there.
And the elevator doesn't help.
This is kind of like the gantry pad at that old Disneyland ride. Look, we're scaling down, 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 down. Yes, and the view is spectacularly boring from here because you look at the roof with all this air conditioning stuff, and it gets even worse in just another moment.
And it goes black.
I can see your reflection of it. Dun, 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 dun. Trees. All right, that was that. Soon we won't be, because we're going up. Ooh. This is the South Tower. Hey! Did we press 18?
I guess
we didn't press 18. Oh, okay, there we go.
Oh, boy,
that's more like it.
Ooh, that does your stomach good.
And here we go, another shot of Burbank going up the celebrated elevator. We'll take a shot of that south this time. You can see the traffic on I-5, also known as the, what is it, the Civil War Veterans?
Yeah, the Civil War Veterans Memorial Highway.
That's it.
If I get away with one before it. Nope. Oh, this is going to be weird.
Yeah, especially with me in the shot.
Yeah, actually, here you go. Because how is it going to seam it together as we're sinking?
It'd be a big diagonal.
Look at this. Ready?
Yeah, look at these people over here.